Hello everyone, welcome to OpenVox online webinar. Today I am excited to introduce to you a revolutionary product, the Unified Communications Platform, or UCP for short. This platform is set to transform the way we communicate and collaborate, enabling us to connect more effectively and move forward into the future. Now, let's begin our exploration of UCP. In this presentation, we will cover the following aspects of UCP. Firstly, we will understand what UCP is, its core components, and unique features. Next, we will explore the hardware specifications, performance, technical details, and the functions of each single board. Then, we will see how UCP performs in different industries and scenarios through practical application cases. Finally, we will introduce the OEM/ODM services of UCP, including the target customer groups and specific examples of customer requirements. So, what exactly is UCP? UCP, as a new generation unified communications platform, consists of the core control unit, CCU, interface, service unit, and chassis on the hardware side. These components work in harmony to provide a solid foundation for the stable operation of the entire platform. On the software side, UCP integrates multiple communication and collaboration tools and channels into a single, seamless system. It combines functions like audio, video conferencing, instant messaging, unified calling, presence, and communication recording, enhancing the communication efficiency and collaboration experience of users. OpenVox is mainly dedicated to the research, development, and optimization of hardware in UCP. We offer high-quality and high-performance hardware devices that ensure excellent performance in terms of stability and expandability. These hardware components are carefully designed and rigorously tested to meet the diverse communication needs of users in various complex scenarios. UCP's all-in-one solution is truly remarkable as it brings together a wide array of different phone interfaces and service modules. By integrating all these different phone interfaces and service modules, UCP's all-in-one solution helps customers achieve a seamless fusion of communication services. It allows for the integration of various communication channels, whether it's analog, digital, wireless, or radio-based. Whether it's for internal communication within an organization, communication with customers, or coordination with partners, UCP provides a unified and efficient solution that adapts to the diverse needs of modern businesses. The advantages of UCP are truly remarkable. Traditional communication solutions often require numerous devices to support different functions, leading to a complex and costly setup. In contrast, UCP consolidates all functions into one device, enabling it to perform multiple communication and collaboration tasks. This not only reduces the number of devices and hardware costs, but also simplifies system deployment and management. Users can focus more on their business operations and improve work efficiency without the hassle of dealing with multiple devices. The hardware of UCP features a modular design, which offers great convenience to users. It is easy to install, configure, and disassemble, allowing users to flexibly select and replace modules according to their specific requirements. This modularity enables effortless system expansion and upgrades. UCP 1600 2120 4131 offer up to 14 slot expansions respectively and support the mixing and plugging of wireless, analog, digital, RAID, and hard disk modules. This high level of flexibility makes UCP suitable for a wide range of applications including government and enterprise call centers, commercial call centers, and dispatch centers, providing tailored communication solutions for different industries. The performance of UCP depends on its hardware configuration. We provide a variety of CPU options, such as N4120, Core i3, i5, i7, to meet the performance demands of different users. In terms of memory, it supports capacities ranging from 4G to 32G, allowing for customization based on actual application scenarios. When it comes to calls, UCP can handle a large number of extensions and concurrent calls, ensuring smooth enterprise communication. The hard disk capacity options, including 32G, 128G, 512G, 1T, and 2T, offer ample storage space for data. Additionally, the numerous slots and interfaces provide extensive possibilities for device expansion and connection. Now, let's look at the core switch unit. The core switch unit of UCP comprises a 100 megabits per second switchboard CSUF and a gigabit switchboard CSUG. The CSUF has two 100 megabytes ports, while the CSUG is equipped with 4 gigabit ports, including one optical port and 3 Ethernet ports. By default, all 3 chassis types are equipped with the CSUF switchboard, and users can optionally choose to install the CSUG switchboard. These switchboards are crucial for network data exchange and transmission, ensuring high-speed and stable communication between various devices. The IP-PBX control board is the crucial central control component of UCP. Depending on the CPU you choose, it can support different numbers of users and concurrent calls. For instance, with the Celeron N4120, it can handle 500s to 1,000 users with 200 concurrent calls, while the Core i3, i5, i7 can support 500010000 users with 1,000 concurrent calls. UCP offers excellent compatibility with operating systems. Any system that can be installed on an HP, Dell server, Windows, Linux, or other operating systems can also be installed on UCP. In terms of memory, the N4120 supports up to 8 gigabytes, and the Core i3, i5, i7 supports up to 32 gigabytes, providing robust support for the efficient operation of the system. Moving on to the interface unit boards, let's start with the Analog Interface Unit Board, IU. The AIU8 module provides 8 FX08 FSS interfaces with RJ11 connectors, while the AIU16 module offers 16 FXS interfaces FXO not supported with RJ21 connectors. The FXS interface is used to connect analog phones, enabling the integration of traditional telephony. The FXO interface, on the other hand, connects to the PSTN line, providing access to the public switch telephone network. Users can expand the number of AIU boards as needed to meet various communication requirements. The Wireless Trunk Unit Board, WTU, is another important component. It supports GSM, WCMA, LTE networks, offering users a convenient wireless communication solution. It not only enables voice calls, but also provides SMS functionality, adding versatility to mobile communication. The WTU board features 4 GSM, WCDMA, LTE channels, effectively expanding wireless communication capabilities. This makes it suitable for applications such as mobile office and remote monitoring, where wireless connectivity is essential. The Digital Trunking Unit Board DTU offers 1/2 4E1T1 interfaces with RJ48 connectors. It supports various signaling protocols like PRIR2, SS7, facilitating reliable connections with ISDN carriers. This is crucial for enterprises that require high-speed and stable digital communication lines for data and voice transmission. The Audio Communication Unit Board ACU plays a vital role in voice notifications and emergency broadcasts. With 2 inputs and 2 outputs and Lotus connectors, it can be easily connected to speakers, ensuring that important messages are delivered promptly and clearly in various scenarios, such as office announcements or emergency situations. In enterprise office environments, public areas, or emergency command scenarios, the ACU ensures the timely dissemination of important information, enhancing work efficiency and emergency response capabilities. The Radio Interface Unit Board RIU offers 2 quarters channel options with RJ45 connectors. It enables access to radio stations and supports walkie-talkie communication, providing users with a convenient wireless communication means. In scenarios such as outdoor operations, logistics dispatching, and emergency rescue, the RIU allows for real-time communication between personnel, improving collaboration efficiency and work safety. Now, let's discuss the Service Unit Boards. The RAID Service Unit Board RSU, available only in the 4U chassis UCP 4131, offers RAID1 and RAID0 functions. RAID1 provides data security backup, protecting your valuable information, while also supporting 2.5-inch SSD storage expansion for increased capacity. This is crucial for enterprise users with high data security requirements, as it effectively prevents data loss and ensures business continuity. The Storage Expand Unit Board, SU provides different hard disk support capabilities depending on the chassis size. The 1U chassis supports 1 hard disk, the 2U chassis supports 4 hard disks, and the 4U chassis can support up to 6 hard disks. Through the SU, users can expand the hard disk capacity according to their data storage needs, ensuring the system can store a large amount of communication records, files, and other data. In terms of the hardware connection topology, all the boards in UCP are connected to the network switch via Ethernet links. This enables seamless communication between the boards and ensures efficient data transmission. Through the web browser and API, you can manage the CPU board and interface board using the internal IP address, providing you with convenient control and monitoring of the system. At the software level, the PBX and gateway of UCP interconnect through the SP protocol, SIP trunk. The SIP protocol, widely used in internet communication, ensures the accurate transmission and interaction of voice, video, and other communication data. This standardized protocol enables UCP to seamlessly integrate with other SIP-compatible devices and systems, facilitating broader communication, integration, and collaboration. Here you can see the UCP 4131 internal logic diagram. The diagram shows the internal layout and connectivity of the UCP 4131 system. There are 14 slots in total, besides the labeled slot 1 to slot 11 for CCU and interface service unit. You can see slot 0 for CSU and 2 slots for power module. All the slots are connected by different types of buses. Green lines represent network connections. Blue lines represent SATA connections. Purple lines represent PCIe connections. Red lines represent power connections. This diagram provides a clear overview of how the various components of the UCP 4131 are interconnected, highlighting the importance of different interfaces such as network, SATA, PCIe, and power, along with the redundancy features for power supply. 1. For example, if you install a CCU board in slot 2, then you can expand 2 hard disks by SATA bus in slot 1 and 4. If you install a CCU board in slot 2 and you need a RAID module, then you can install the RAID board on slot 4 with PCIe bus and expand 2 hard disks by SATA bus in slot 3 and 5, and also the third hard disk in slot 1. You can do the same on the right side, the UCP 4131. That is how you can expand 6 hard disks in the same chases of UCP 4131.